Hello and welcome to Hack with Ethics. In today's video, we are going to install Windows 7 Virtual Machine, which is a part of Security Lab setup, and we use these machines for security testing and to study other attacks. And if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Let's start the video. Open your browser and paste the official website link of Hack with Ethics. Now click on Resources tab and then click on Virtual Machines. Now from here you can free download the OVIA files of the required virtual machines like Windows and Linux, which is a pre-configured virtual machine files. Now click on Windows 7 and you are redirected to the Google Drive download page, and from here you can simply download the file. I have already downloaded the file. Let's move for the installation process. Open the VirtualBox application and then locate the downloaded Windows 7 OVIA file. Double-click on the Windows 7 OVIA file and a new window is appear and shows the configuration of the Windows 7 virtual machine. Don't change anything, just simply click on Finish, and your Windows 7 virtual machine will start importing to the VirtualBox. After completion of the importing process, just simply click on Start button to start the virtual machine. Here we go, we have successfully installed the Windows 7 virtual machine using pre-configured OVIA file. The login password for the machines is 123456. For full screen view, click on View option and then click on Scaled mode. Let me show you the properties of the system. We have Windows 7 Ultimate with 2 gigs of RAM and Windows is activated. Hope you like this tutorial video and learned how to set up Windows 7 on virtual machine. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Hack with Ethics channel for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching.